Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you an easy process on how to withdraw your funds from your OKX wallet to your bank account. It's going to be a very easy process, so make sure to watch until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now, to do this, you're going to use an app called Swissborg, which is going to be very crucial to make this process easy and with lower fees. Here's why we're using Swissborg. Apps like OKX don't allow easy withdrawals to bank accounts. With Swissborg, it's quick and works with any bank. The steps are simple. Transfer your crypto to Swissborg using Solana. Then, convert to your preferred currency. And lastly, withdraw to your bank account in minutes from the Swissborg app. Downloading the app will be a very easy process. Just scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the top section below for the pinned comment. Click on it and it will send you to this website right here. The code will be code Gummy5. Use that to sign up and get your bonus, which will include 100 euro scratch card that you can win later on. After you finish with the sign up and the download, let's get back to the video and check how to withdraw from OKX wallet. Alright, now as you can see, first thing we're going to do is go to our portfolio in our OKX wallet. And then from here, we're going to click on withdraw. Now we're going to first click on withdraw crypto. And then from here, we're going to select whatever crypto we have, which is USDT. And then click on the middle option, exchanges or wallets. Once you do that, you're going to search for whatever network you would like. For us, we're going to use Ethereum. From here, we have the address and the withdrawal amount waiting for us. Now, to fill them, we're going to our Swissborg wallet, and from here, go to the portfolio, and then we're going to click on deposit. Once you do that, we're going to go to the last option saying crypto transfer, and then we're going to click on the first option, which is USDT, because that's what we would like. Then from here, we have the address right here, copy it, and then go back to our OKX wallet. And then from here, we're going to paste the address, paste it right here, and then whatever amount you would like. So for us, we have a minimum. Now, unfortunately, because I don't have enough, it will tell me that the minimum amount is not exceeded. But once you do that and submit, you will just simply receive it real quick on your Swissborg application. It will take a maximum of 5 minutes. Once you do that and you receive it, you're going to go back until your portfolio. And then from here, you're going to go to your Tether USD. And then you're going to click on exchange. Once you do that, you go here and then you search for whatever fiat currency you would like. So let's say euros. And then we're going to put whatever amount you would like. And then from here, you can see the tether and it will send 2 euros to your account. Once you do that and click on confirm, you can simply go back. And then from here, you can simply go back and then go to the euros. And then from here, you can see on the bottom right, a button that says withdraw. Click on the withdraw. And then if you have enough balance, it will tell you to enter the IBAN link. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.